Welcome to Global Feed. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more breaking updates. In Guangxi, China, a monumental project is quietly reshaping global commerce, the Pinglu Canal. This massive waterway connects China's vast interior directly to the sea, transforming trade routes and economic dynamics. For decades, China's economic boom was concentrated on the east coast. The Pinglu Canal aims to change that. By providing a direct water route, it will pump economic life into regions long disconnected from global trade. The canal is a key part of the new international land-sea trade corridor linking inland provinces with the world. The Pinglu Canal is a clear signal. China isn't just participating in global trade, it's shaping its future. The Pinglu Canal carves a direct 135-kilometer path through Guangxi, linking the Xijin Reservoir on the Yu River to the Beibu Gulf and the South China Sea. This route isn't accidental, it's a meticulously planned shortcut connecting China's southwest heartlands to major international shipping lanes. For centuries, goods from Sichuan and Chongqing faced long, costly journeys to reach the sea. The Pinglu Canal changes that. Now, a southern gateway bypasses congested eastern routes, accelerating access to global markets. The Beibu Gulf, once a quiet coastal area, is set to become a new frontline for international commerce, boosting local economies and strengthening China's trade ties with ASEAN nations. The canal is built for large, 5,000-ton ships, requiring massive earthworks, advanced locks, and dozens of new bridges. It's a transformation of the landscape, turning the canal into a new geographical feature that will redraw trade routes across the continent. By funneling goods into the Beibu Gulf, China positions ports like Qinzhou as major international hubs. The Pinglu Canal is not just a line on a map, it's a deliberate move to shift the center of gravity for regional trade. This is China's ambition, etched into the earth. The Pinglu Canal's main goal is to make shipping from southwest China faster, cheaper, and easier. By cutting over 560 kilometers from traditional routes, it slashes fuel costs and journey times, making inland goods more competitive globally. This efficiency could spark industrial growth in western provinces, attracting investment, creating jobs, and raising incomes. The canal is a catalyst for balanced development, narrowing the wealth gap between China's east and west. Its impact extends beyond China. ASEAN nations will gain a more direct route into China's vast market, and vice versa. Enhanced connectivity will foster greater trade, cross-border investment, and regional integration, with China at the center. The canal also strengthens China's economic security by diversifying trade routes and making supply chains more resilient. It's a powerful tool of economic statecraft, increasing the region's dependence on China. The Pinglu Canal is an investment in infrastructure that will fuel growth and reshape the Asia-Pacific economy. It's a strategic move that will pay dividends for years to come. When we think of great canals, Suez and Panama come to mind, but Pinglu is different. Unlike Panama, which connects oceans, Pinglu links China's inland rivers to the sea, revolutionizing domestic and regional trade. The Panama Canal serves global shipping, but Pinglu's impact is concentrated on China and Southeast Asia, supercharging economic integration in one of the world's most dynamic regions. Panama's history is marked by international control and geopolitical tension. Pinglu, by contrast, is a fully Chinese project, conceived, funded, and operated for China's strategic interests. This gives Beijing total control, allowing the canal to serve as a direct instrument of national policy. Both canals are massive infrastructure investments, overcoming geography for economic gain. As Panama invests in sustainability, China is building Pinglu as a modern, efficient, and green waterway. Even in the digital age, moving goods by water remains fundamental to the global economy. Pinglu is the next chapter, a modern canal built not to connect old empires, but to power the rise of a new economic giant. It's a new kind of strategic waterway for the 21st century. The Pinglu Canal's regional focus makes it a unique force in shaping Asia's future. It's not just about moving ships, it's about shifting economic power. The world is watching as China writes its own canal story. Building the Pinglu Canal is a showcase of China's advanced engineering and technology. Navigating varied terrain requires a sophisticated system of massive, automated locks, some of the largest ever built. These locks, managed by computer-controlled systems, lift and lower 5,000-ton vessels efficiently, minimizing water use and delays. The canal is designed as a smart waterway, equipped with sensors, cameras, and real-time data networks. Artificial intelligence in a central command center predicts bottlenecks, optimizes schedules, and guides navigation, making the canal safer and more reliable. Sustainability as central excavated earth is reused to create ecological zones, and advanced water conservation tech recycles water in the locks. Shore power at ports lets ships turn off engines, cutting air pollution. This is infrastructure built smart, not just big, integrating digital tools and green practices from the ground up. The Pinglu Canal sets a new standard for major projects, showing how technology can solve logistical challenges and create future-ready economic infrastructure. China is applying this approach elsewhere, but Pinglu is focused on commerce. It's a working example of how digital innovation can transform trade. The canal is a model for the infrastructure of the digital age. For Guangxi's towns and cities, the Pinglu Canal is a transformative force. Construction brings thousands of jobs, but the real impact comes when the canal is operational. New ports and logistics hubs will attract investment and create long-term employment. The region is set for rapid urbanization and industrialization, with cities like Qinzhou poised to become major commercial centers. Factories and processing plants will flock to the area, drawn by efficient access to global markets. For locals, this means new opportunities, better infrastructure, and rising living standards. But such a massive project brings challenges, altered landscapes, displaced communities, and environmental risks. The government is compensating and relocating affected residents, but transitions are never easy. Environmental concerns are real, soil erosion, water changes, and impacts on wildlife must be managed. Engineers are using modern techniques to mitigate these effects, aiming for a balance between economic growth and a healthy environment. The canal's success will be measured by both the cargo it carries and the prosperity it brings to local people. The Pinglu Canal isn't just a regional project, it could alter the dynamics of global trade. By creating a new, efficient export route, it may reroute supply chains and shift shipping patterns, boosting the prominence of Beibu Gulf ports. This could challenge established hubs like Singapore and Hong Kong, making shipping cheaper and faster for all. The ripple effects, lower costs, faster transit, and increased competition, could benefit consumers worldwide. The canal is a reminder that physical infrastructure still drives economic progress, even in a digital world. It deepens China's integration with Southeast Asia, creating a more China-centric economic bloc. This has geopolitical implications as economic influence often translates into political leverage. The Pinglu Canal is a tool for anchoring the regional economy to China. It's a model for how infrastructure investment can unlock potential and reshape trade flows. As the first ship set sail, the Pinglu Canal opens a new chapter for China and for global commerce.